Hey guys, today I have the Boltune True Wireless Stereo Earbuds to show you guys. Boltune.net. Check them out. Okay. Oh, yeah. Gift card for you. Okay. Boltune user guide. So you're going to be looking at the little pods and the instructions. Pretty simple. Charge, connect in your ear. And warranty. Extended warranty, not bad. Okay, so we have a little short mini USB Type-C cable, so that's good. Modern USB Type-C, that's what we like. And some extra ear tips, so if the ones that are in there don't fit you, you can go medium, you can go super small. These are tiny, but yeah, some people have tiny ear canals, so there you go. Something for everyone. And here we are. Okay. Oh, solid outside of plastic. Looks like a possible light. Yeah, light indicator right there. And you're charging USB Type-C. So these little guys are already ready to go. And as you can tell, they're pretty nice. Glossy, simple. So you have these. And then the charging pins. Looks like a pogo style, so you have both of them right there, left and right. They go in, magnetic, top cuff. So yeah, just wanted to show them to you guys real quick, little quick unboxing, and yeah, take care.